Yo guys, YCG here. We're here with Caden CJHQ. He's on his GoPro right now. We're gonna be doing a new taillight, integrated taillight. So it's gonna have the blinkers and the taillight in one taillight, so we can do duct plate, fender eliminator, all that good jazz. So we're gonna get right started. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure to check out the merch, and let's get right into this video. We didn't get that far yet.
I wonder if, wait, instead of like, I wonder if I can just hold it by my hand while you.
Here, I should be, you can get, I have a little one.
Oh yeah.
I just need to know what size that is.
Doesn't that kind of look like an 8?
There's something right here.
Let's see if I'm right. Wrong or right?
I think you might be right. Let's see right now. Guys, I broke his bike and it's fucked. It's gone, it's total. Piece of shit. No. We got the new tail light in right there. Obviously looks way better, way cleaner, way meaner. So we're gonna keep going with that. Alright guys. I've been struggling for the past fucking, I don't know how long we've been at this.
2 hours.
2 fucking hours for a fucking tail light. We were finally getting it done. It was a pain in the ass. We were wiring it incorrectly at first, and then it's a whole fucking thing. I haven't done is a Z1000. It's very similar to my ZX6R though. I had to take everything apart, so like that wasn't anything new. But just like the wiring, he had so much extra wires that we didn't even need. And then I tried to tap into fucking the license plate running light, so that was stupid as shit. But yeah, we're gonna get done and then we're gonna go for a ride. Catch you guys here in a little bit. We did it. Go ahead.
Right. Left. Hazards.